What's up, internet? It's 1 p.m. and it's burning hot here in Sri Lanka, and I'm heading towards the Negombo Beach today. There are two routes you can take. One is the Colombo road, which is shorter than this road, which is the Pamanagam road. It's a beach road and it's amazing. I mean, if you're a rider, you know you always gotta take the beach roads. They're the best. The beach you're seeing is the Uchchimuni beach. It's quite close to Colombo, but today it's really crowded because of the public holiday. I mean, usually it's not that crowded. Because it's a holiday, it's crowded here. So that's why I'm going to the Negombo Beach. And this is why I love this bike. You can just easily tackle these roads. You can easily just move through. Yeah, I tried to find the entrance to the beach and instead I ended up on this side of the beach. Now I have to go to the main road and try to find the entrance. My friend used the Google Maps and he found the main entrance to the beach, and I ended up on the other side of the beach. Now I have to take this road and find the entrance. After going in circles, I finally found the entrance, and this is it. Let's see how it goes. By the looks of the queue, I think the beach is extremely crowded because of the public holiday. Let's see if I can squeeze through these vehicles. Yep, as I was expecting, this beach is extremely crowded. I wouldn't recommend it. I'm gonna go and talk to my friends and gonna take them with me to the other beach. This side of the beach is really calm and quiet. You can enjoy the beach and enjoy the sunset from here. It's super cool. You got the coconut trees and there's a small hut in the front. And this is what I would call a perfect tropical vibe. I would say today's a success because I got to ride on the beach and it was extremely fun and got to enjoy the sunset and the beach. Yeah, the beach was amazing. And yeah, we can't forget about the two little puppies who were playing on the beach. That was extremely a fun sight to watch. I mean, they really enjoy life as it is, unlike us. So this is the end of this small episode. I'll be back with another video. I'll be going back to the Uchchimuni beach at some point. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. It really helps me grow this channel and move forward.